Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my opinel number 8 khaki green. So guys, before we talk about this knife, I would like to tell you like I paid about Omani 5 Omani reals for it, so which is equivalent to about 12 American dollars. Okay, so guys, now you can see it has a wood handle, but the wood is painted in this cool khaki green color, so which is kind of unique and it looks very different from the all other models which are made by opinel. Okay, so there are other colors also available, so you have red, you have yellow, and many other options, but I like this olive green, or we call it as khaki green. So guys, this is number 8. It is made in France. Okay, so and it comes with this ring lock. Okay, so let us unlock it and let us open it. Okay, so guys, here it is. So guys, the blade length of this knife is about 3.25 inches, which is pretty decent, and the handle length is 4.25 inches, and overall length of this knife is about 7.5 inches. Okay, so guys, the blade material on this knife is made up of C27 stainless steel. Okay, here you can see the opinel marking, and okay, what else? Yes, and the handle material of this knife is oak wood. Let me lock it. Okay, so it is made in France, as I told you. So now what we'll do is we will test the sharpness of this knives. So I have some paper, so we'll try to cut it. So before we try it, I would like to tell you, like, I did not sharpen it. This is how I got it from the market. So let us see how sharp the blade is. Pretty clean cut. So in the beginning I could not get the hold of the paper properly, but the cut is clean. So let us try it again. And guys, while you are working with knives, I always tell you, like, please be very careful while handling the blades, else you may injure yourself. So one more. So cut is clean. So guys, that's pretty much for today. So this is opinel number 8 khaki green. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more knife videos, EDC reviews, and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.